Hey friends, welcome back to Kawaii Bath and Body. My name's Amber. We recently received our order of Hello Kitty molds and absolutely adorable mini Hello Kitty toys. So today I'm going to show you how I make our Hello Kitty inspired bath bombs. Let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to start by measuring out our dry ingredients. So we have our baking soda, our kaolin clay, SLSA, and then we're just going to mix this up. Next, I'm adding bio glitter to our measuring cup before adding our liquid ingredients. We have our coconut oil, witch hazel, polysorbate 80, and our fragrance for today. Now we're just going to mix it up really well. Once that's done, I'm going to combine our liquid and dry ingredients and mix well. Now I'm going to add our citric acid and mix until it becomes a texture similar to wet sand. Once I'm satisfied with the texture, I'm going to put a small amount of the mixture in our mold and then add the toy and pink embed before adding the final layer of mixture and then pressing firmly.
Something about this flower fills me with an emotion I don't really understand.
I like the back of our kitties to be flat, so I'm going to use this baking tool to remove the excess mixture from the back of this mold. Once it's smooth and completely flat, I'll move on to the next kitty. After they've been in their molds for about 5 minutes, I'm going to remove them. I'll do this by gently tapping on the mold with a metal spoon until they pop out. A little over 2 hours have passed and they're completely hard and ready to be painted. I will paint them off camera and be right back with the final results. Her head contains her little toy and the body has the pink in bed. She is now available for sale on our website, kawaiibathandbody.com. You can purchase her and other anime, manga, and kawaii inspired handmade products on our site. If you like this video, subscribe to see more videos like this, comment below what product making videos you would like to see next. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see a demo of what she looks like in the tub. Thanks for watching. Bye.